Hi, welcome back. Yesterday I went down to Tannehill for trade days, and I haven't been down there for trade days in about 20 years. So I was really excited to go, and I'll show you what I got in another video. But they also had the old grist mill running, the John Wesley Hall's grist mill, and it was burned at the end of the Civil War during Wilson's raid, and then rebuilt. And in 1867 it started operating again all the way to 1931. And then I guess it fell into disrepair because they had to rebuild it. And then since 1976, it's been putting out cornmeal for the site, for Tannehill. And we actually got a bag of cornmeal. And also got some honey, although that was from a vendor at Trade Days. I didn't interview the folks working there because I didn't want them to feel ambushed. So later on, I'll hopefully interview them and put that in another video. There is a little discussion there at the end of the video of this one. The video is basically sights and sounds of the old John Wesley Hall's grist mill. All right, I hope you enjoy it. Do have a wonderful week, and God bless. I grew up around here, and so I kind of like to promote it, you know. It's been a long time since I've seen it. I haven't been down here on a Trade Days weekend in about 20 years, so it's been a long time since I've seen that thing running. I get y'all run it every Trade Day, okay?
Pea husker shucker.
A pea husker?
This is a pea huller also.
Both of them?
Both of them. And then this one, here's your corn shucker.
The corn goes in there, I guess?
Stick the corn in there and it pulls the husk off of it. Probably takes the corn off the cob. Then you gotta hit this motor right here. I don't know what that over there does unless it's a heat thrasher that takes the peas out of the hull.
Oh, okay.
Looked like pea huller was big back here back in the day.
My grandparents had a farm, and we used to haul peas.
Yeah. Well, I did too when I was a kid.
Did you?
They'd go to the farmer's market. If we didn't grow them ourselves, we'd go to the farmer's market and buy several bushel of them.
Yeah.
Sit there all day.
Yeah.
Shucking and things.
My grandmother used to love to watch Price is Right.